students, welcome to another penmanship lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be writing the letter M. In our last lesson, we wrote the letter N. So we are starting off the letter M this lesson the same way. So we are starting to write on the bottom blue line. You go up. Now when you write the N and you stop there, you're going to go back up on the same line and curve again to make your M. The letter M touches the bottom blue line in the middle. Some of us don't write it that way, but the cursive letter M, all three strokes will be sitting on the bottom blue line. We'll try another line of the cursive M. So with the letter N, we made one motion here. So let me use my eraser. Make sure whenever you have to use your eraser, you're using a clean eraser. But with the letter M now, you're making two movements. So you go up, come down, up and come down again. The cursive letter M, you have the beginning of your cursive M and the ending of your cursive M. And the cursive letter M is pulling up those two blue lines because it's another short letter. We'll do another line of the cursive M to give us enough practice in writing the cursive letters. Make sure the middle line on your M comes down, straight down to touch the bottom blue line. So we're going to use the letter M to make a pattern. So we are writing our first letter M, and we take our first letter M, carry it up, and join it to another letter M. So we take it, carry it up, down, down, and then we end off with our ending part, our cursive M. This is the part that is going to go now to join to your next letter. And I'm writing one at a time. I don't want any shortcuts. One letter M at a time. Make sure that they are all filling up those two blue lines. Let's look at writing some words with the letter M in it. Our first word, made, M-A-D-E, which is the past tense of make. Make sure you get the beginning of that cursive M. The M will go to join to A, the A to the D, and E, the D to the E, made. That D is going to touch your top red line because it's a tall letter. Our next word, the word game, G-A-M-E. Don't forget the letter G touches your bottom red line. Our letter today is the letter M, so everyone should be familiar with making the letter G, A, and E. So it's just the M being added in there. And remember not to stretch out the letters. Try to write them close to each other. The next word is clam, C-L-A-M. A clam resembles an oyster, but there's a difference. The clam, make sure you have the beginning of your cursive C, carry it up. The L is a tall letter, so So it's going to touch that top red line, the A and the M. Our next word, the word mood. So we are starting with an M and we carry it to join to O, and then that O is going to join to another O, and then that second O is joining to your D, mood. I am in a happy mood. Remember, cursive writing is joining your letters to write. It will take some time to learn it, but if you keep at it, you take your time, you learn the formation of the letters, and try to write them the best you can. I'm sure that you will have a beautiful handwriting. We have one more word, the word come, C-O. Now notice that O is going at the top here. So we join in that O to M, so it will join. So it just come down, up, down, and then take the M to join to E, come. So that O join to the M at the top. Remember, the O join all letters at the top there. Come. All the letters in come are filling up those two blue lines because all of them are short letters. So that's our lesson for today. Writing the cursive letter N, M, and using the cursive M with other letters we have written before. You can pause the video as many times as you wish. Pause it or stop it to see how the letters are being written, how they are being joined to each other, and then you can practice.